Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a very interesting time since we last seen each other. I spent all day at work and then directly to an overnight shoot for the short film with Dominic Salerno. And so I really don't have, I have a couple of, literally a couple of clips, just like tiny things from that I can show you. But you know, when I'm on set. Like I told you, I don't really film. So I didn't really capture anything for Vlogtober today. This is the day of, morning of, and I've been doing it the day before. And I have some real life stuff to do. So that's what you're joining me for. My bed broke a couple nights ago and it broke again last night. So what I'm doing now is I have moved the mattress directly in front of the futon and the box spring. And let me show you. There's the frame. And I'm just going to take the wood slats off of the frame and see if I can drop the box spring that's already on the ground right there, right into the frame. Like, you know, right into the frame without the actual slats. Like, so sit high. It was a very high bed because it's supposed to be a platform bed to begin with, and the mattress was supposed to go directly on the slats, but I was like, that don't look supportive. So I never did that. So I'm just going to take it off and see if it works. It may not, it may, but before I spend more money on a new frame, I'm going to see if that works. I got my Dyson V11 Torque. I'm going to clean that, which has not been cleaned in a little while. And then we will use the power drill and take out all the screws. That's the plan. Lego. Vroom, vroom. Crackety crack crack. I wonder why there was issues. This is not even the one that broke off. I need to pick this up over because this side is broken. I picked it up. It's in. Okay, I could talk again. And look at that. Oh, it fits snug as a bug in a rag. Backstage, Blacksmiths. Even though I would say I only got Pedro. That means I got Pedro.
And Jesus.
Obviously. Let's go say hi to the rest of the team.
You guys sit back here.
Sit in the back.
In the back specifically?
No, that's what they do. We were sitting up there.
Oh, they say all on camera. Oh.
Rob, people?
Yeah, he's telling that.
Other houses?
He did tell me. He told me that he was gonna rob me before, you know, actually robbing me. So there's nothing I can do about it now.
So now you can't say, yeah, I can't get some.
Where's our zoom in? Where? I'm just cutting off your head completely. I was cutting off your head completely. Now I see you. Oh, blackity black, blacksmiths.
Just need to know.
Oh boy. Comedians being comedians.
I didn't realize I was dark skinned. Ever since Drake lost.
Oh, let's look at the negative. Oh, Jesus. Barely coming up on camera.
You're not that old, dog.
Oh, look at that. They're so cute. Anytime they want to take a picture.
There's a lot of empty space right here.
Hello.
His voice, but I don't know.
What if we did it with the door in the back?
Okay.
Oh, I think it's a video.
It is a video. And then I take screen.
Wait, now I'm not even in it.
Hey! Smile. I can take the screenshot. Like.
Guys, it is my honor to introduce, ladies and gentlemen, the Blacksmiths.
I'm Destiny. It is so nice to meet you. I don't usually go on blind dates, but we matched on
first two,
Tinder.
yeah.
We matched on Tinder, and I just thought, you know, why not? It's New York City.
Yes, you have a. I love the devil tattoos in the
Thank you so much.
in that skirt.
Hi.
Are you Jewish?
Do you want me to?
Do you have a pitch for Judas?
I know. That will depend on what I serve you.
Oh. Still trying to pitch it to us.
Oh no. Like you can be Jewish, or you can be Jewish, or confused with Jewish.
I'll tell you what. I'm a vegan, so why don't you be Jewish? Just share. Just share.
Yeah.
Vegan is close to Judaism.
I'll be Jewish.
I lost my wallet.
yeah.
I lost my wallet.
Oh, man, that sucks.
Do something. This is an emergency.
Yeah, okay, I hear what you're saying. There's not enough money going around anymore.
What?
There's not enough money.
They got rid of our horses ever since then. We just don't have no money for anything else.
It's actually all to follow a report.
I hear that, yeah. It's a lot of time. It's a very time-consuming process.
Do a cloud thing. If you
Yeah, that's really good.
Thunder and run.
That's not what I asked for at all.
Let me guess. Oh my God.
That's right, Jesus and Jesus.
He's the quiet one.
Oh, does he not talk?
Speak.
I would really like to hear him.
Wait, he's speaking
You're still speaking.
Yeah, you're still.
talk, Jay.
Bop, 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 bop. Everybody pull out your guns. We another
Give it up for the
I'm back home, had a great time as usual, hung out with the crew after the show, so it's late, and I'm racing to put this video up to stay daily vlogging. I have to put it up before midnight, and it's 11:48. Comment, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!